I said Dave isn't a team player when it comes to making drinks.
No. He is. He normally makes me one.
Well, he won't make me one.
Well, he doesn't like you.
Of course he does, I know damn well he does.
He can't stand you.
No, he loves me. So this is Sean's, no doubt, yeah?
Yeah, Sean's.
Yeah.
Just sticking edge binding on.
The obvious question here is, obviously the edge binding doesn't quite go to the top, does it?
No, well, no, the top doesn't come down to the edge binding.
But it will do.
But it will do. Oh. Yeah, I haven't cut the top down yet.
No, right. Won't you be, might you...
Won't be in my way. It'll just be in my guide. I'll use it as a guide.
But might you not end up...
No.
Accidentally...
None of them.
Knocking some of the...
No.
The inlays off?
No.
When you're doing all...
No. I'll be doing none of those kind of naughty things that you think I might do.
I'm just asking.
Well,
Probably have a load of people now saying, fucking Ashley and
there's always ways of doing these better, but I do them my way. And I found that super glue is the best thing for me for this edge binding stuff.
Yeah. Super glue and...
It does make the plastic brittle, unfortunately, so if you make a mistake and you want to rip it back off, well, you're just going to have to rip the lot off, really, and start again. Because it doesn't do it any favours.
So super glue and masking tape, eh?
Yep, super glue and masking tape. A lot of people will just mask it up, and then pour the super glue in the cracks, the gaps, you know. And not a bad idea, actually. It's not bad. It's not one of the worst ideas I've seen on guitars. It's it's very good. When I get to this sharp corner here, I'll be getting my hot air gun out.
Yeah.
To warm the plastic a little bit.
Have you got a cold air gun? Aren't all like air guns hot?
He's talking shit again.
No, just wondering. Just wondering.
Paint stripper gun. Hey? Paint stripper gun, you mean?
Yeah. I was wondering if there was a cool version anywhere, and why'd you use it? Ice. Oh no, you'd melt it with ice, wouldn't you? Need a hot one, wouldn't you?
No, you wouldn't melt plastic with ice, you'd just make it very brittle and it wouldn't be usable.
There's nothing wrong with questioning things, Doug.
Okay.
Don't forget. Except when you bollock anybody who has wants to learn, question things.
I don't bollock anybody that wants to learn. I think it's nice that they want to learn.
Are you going to get that gun thing then?
No, I can't. I'm holding this down with my finger.
Maybe Dave could hold that. Or Dave gets the gun. Oh. Where is it?
It's there, right in front of you.
God, beauty. Yeah. Take me to your leader. Nice to see you working, Dave.
Yeah.
Fiddly-dee, fiddly-doo. Oh, I didn't realise I've got a plug in it. Your sucking off machine's got an external plug in it, Doug.
It has, but it doesn't need to plug it into the sucking off machine. It plugs on the wall there. On the wall of the...
Yes, yeah, got good points.
Let's have that noise now.
Yeah. Just put it to your face to see if it's hot. Perhaps we could set Doug on fire.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Is anything blowing? Nothing's on, is it?
Fine it is.
It is now, I've just turned it on.
You don't think you're going to give it hot, do you? Okay. Have you got it up to warp factor 10? I don't think he needs you now, does he? Do you need it anymore, Doug?
No.
Yeah.
Warming the room up nice though. I've stuck my bloody finger to it, look.
At about 20 quid an hour. It's probably impossible to not glue your fingers
Not
to the guitar.
It's because I'm trying to take tape out as well as doing this.
Would you like one of us to help you?
Well, Dave normally does, but he hasn't even made me a drink today.
There we go. He was an apprentice masking tape dispenser person.
Bigger than that, Dave, please. So, it brings back a night of tropical splendor. I think I've just glued my finger again.
A lot of huffing and puffing, Doug.
That's just my normal breathing exercise.
Oh, yeah. Lung failure.
Yes. Heart failure.
I had my guitar knit. One of you built me, you know.
When? The guitar that he built you? Which one was that?
Ago, yeah. And the police found it with his DNA. It's got DNA in the binding.
Just give me a piece of string, rope, whatever it is you've got there. Tape.
Some tape as well.
Yeah.
That's it.
We found the end of a finger, and we believe it belongs to Douglas Wilkes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing how that works with the police.
Is this this is what name, isn't it?
Yeah, them. The what's the names?
Yeah.
The drummer from this band, actually.
Oh, I need another piece, Dave.
He used to rehearse up at a studio in on the way to Smallthorne.
Did he?
He's like localish, yeah.
My bloody thumb to it.
He's into like heavy metal and everything.
Yeah.
I actually know a guy who had a studio up there, and he said that the Fratellis, there's three of them. This is like 10 years ago, and he said they used to do like festivals all summer, and they get like 25 grand each for like an hour set. He didn't like the music they were playing, this stuff. In fact, we're now fucked, this video is, because we've got the music on. Oh well.
So I'll just go get some cutters.
Oh dear.
I thought this was Kaiser chips.
Well, you thought wrong, didn't you? It's the Fratellis.
Is it?
Yeah. That's it. If they hear the music on the video, not that we make any money, they kind of like, you can't monetize it. What a waste of 7 minutes and 40 seconds of my time. Diddly 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 diddly.
Kelsey Dagger.
That's the name of the song. Doug, I'm going to say goodbye with this video.
Yes, God, bugger off.
Yeah, sure about that?
No, I do want you to bugger off. Have you gone yet?
Yeah.
Is he still here?